Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best drywall filler is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast, enabling seamless repairs to damaged drywall surfaces, from minor dents and scratches to larger holes and gouges. This comprehensive guide will help you navigate the world of drywall hole fillers, exploring various types, applications, and techniques to achieve professional-looking results, ensuring your walls look their absolute best with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. Drywall Repair Putty. Are you tired of unsightly holes and cracks in your walls? This innovative putty makes repairs quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Unlike traditional putty, this one requires no putty knife. Just swipe it on, wipe away the excess, and you're ready for paint. It's not just for drywall. It also works wonders on wood and plaster, making it a versatile solution for all your home repair needs. Ideal for filling nail holes and small cracks, it provides a seamless finish every time. It's the perfect solution for minor wall imperfections. This putty offers a fast and efficient way to repair damaged walls. Get professional-looking results without the hassle. With its easy application and versatile use, it's the perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Transform your walls with ease. What we like. It's incredibly easy to apply. You don't even need a putty knife. Just swipe it on, wipe it off, and paint. If you're looking for a mess-free and convenient solution for small holes and cracks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This putty takes the guesswork out of patching holes. Just squeeze, apply, and smooth over. It's incredibly user-friendly, even for DIY novices. The consistency is perfect, not too runny or too thick, and it spreads smoothly over the damaged areas. It is non-toxic. What I love most is how fast it dries, allowing me to sand and paint over it in no time. The results are seamless, the holes are completely invisible, and the wall looks brand new. This is drywall repair in a stick, so easy to use for patching nail holes or small dings in drywall. Number 4. 3MSHR16 BB Spackling Compound. This innovative spackling compound is designed for quick and easy repairs. It's perfect for patching up those annoying nicks and nail holes. It makes repairs 3 times faster than traditional vinyl spackling. You'll save time and effort on your projects. This versatile compound is suitable for filling holes up to 3 inches in diameter. It's a great all-around solution for various repair needs. The built-in primer ensures excellent hiding power, resulting in a smooth, professional finish. You'll get great coverage with minimal effort. Unlike other spackling compounds, it won't shrink, crack, or sag. You'll get a flawless, long-lasting repair. It's lightweight and easy to apply, making it perfect for both small and large repair jobs. It's a simple solution for a perfect finish. This spackle resists paint flashing, ensuring a smooth, even coat. Your finished project will look professional and polished. What we like. This one is 3 times faster than traditional spackling and won't shrink or crack. It also has excellent hiding power, ensuring a seamless finish. If you value speed and a flawless repair, this is the spackle for you. What people say. It may have shrank a little bit, but not much, so I didn't have to go back. This dried or cured in about 30 minutes, and was ready to paint. I used an old credit card to do the fill, and the texture match was fine to the flat paint. For trim work and small nail hole filling it's ideal because it doesn't shrink, so only one application needed. Then lightly sand, vacuum leftovers, and can move on to paint. Goes on easy and the case keeps the product well. This fixed our major 6x5 drywall blemish. We needed to fix this blemish before putting on our adhesive kitchen backsplash. This was easy to use. We were able to put this on in 2 layers and sanded the entire wall with an electric hand sanding tool. Number 3. ADFORS FDW9098 U-Wall Filler. Say hello to the all-in-one solution for patching up those pesky holes in your walls. It's easy to use and gets the job done quickly. This innovative filler comes with its own applicator and spreader, making the process seamless and convenient. No need for extra tools. It effortlessly fills holes smaller than 2 inches, scratches, and other imperfections left behind by screws and nails. It's perfect for minor repairs. The resealable top ensures that you can use it for multiple repairs without worrying about it drying out. It's economical and practical. For smaller repairs, you won't even need to sand it. It provides a smooth, paintable finish right away. This product is designed for interior use only, ensuring optimal performance and longevity within your home. What we like. It's an all-in-one solution with a built-in applicator and spreader. Plus, it's resealable for multiple repairs and often requires no sanding. If you need a simple, convenient solution for small repairs, this is ideal. What people say. This filler has been a fantastic solution for quick wall repairs. This 3-ounce tube is perfect for patching small holes and cracks, making it a go-to for any DIYer. The filler is easy to apply, providing a smooth finish that blends seamlessly with the surrounding wall. It is an all-in-one solution, combining the filler and a putty knife, eliminating the need for additional tools. It can be operated with just one hand. It quickly fills in scratches or other uneven areas on the walls caused by nails or screws. The product features a resealable cap, allowing for multiple uses without wastage. This is definitely one of the best products I've used to patch up small holes in a wall. It isn't messy, matches the paint pretty well and dries quickly. Number 2. SEISSO Drywall Repair Kit. This kit comes with two 250G tubes of wall repair paste, 2 nozzle extenders, 2 pieces of sandpaper, a scraper, and an instruction manual. Everything you need for small repair jobs is included. It's self-adhesive, scrub-resistant, and water-resistant. No mixing is needed, just apply it directly to fill small holes and cracks for an invisible repair. Simply squeeze it onto the damaged area, smooth it out with the scraper, and wait about 4 hours for it to dry. It's quick and easy to achieve a professional finish. Made with safe, non-toxic materials, it's suitable for homes with children and pets. The formula is non-corrosive and gentle on chemically sensitive individuals. It's perfect for fixing cracks, nail holes, and other wall imperfections. With 2 tubes of paste, you'll have plenty to tackle various repair projects. Contact us if you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for the repair, making the process incredibly simple. It boasts strong adhesion and a smooth finish. If you prefer a complete, user-friendly solution for various wall imperfections, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. It covers holes and scratches on walls before painting. In addition, I had to paint a door frame quickly and did not have time to let this dry and then paint, so I just used this mending paste lightly as paint. It covered the scratches perfectly to the point where I don't think I need to paint the door frame. I squeezed this into the hole, had to do that twice because the holes sucked a lot of it in, and left it to dry for a few days then sanded it. Looks good, nice and easy fix. It squeezed out easily through the applicator included, it was thick enough to stay where it was applied, and smoothed out seamlessly with the scraper. I painted right over it and it looks fantastic. Number 1. DAP Drydex Repair Kit. This kit has everything you need for quick and easy drywall repairs. It's perfect for patching nail holes, cracks, and other imperfections. The included joint compound is specially formulated for a smooth, seamless finish. It's easy to apply and sands down beautifully. This kit contains 2 tubes of joint compound, a sanding block, and a 3-piece putty knife set. You'll have all the tools you need to complete the job. Putty knives are perfectly sized for various repair tasks, making application quick and easy. The sanding block helps achieve a professional finish. Whether it's a small nail hole or a larger crack, it's ideal for all your drywall repair needs. Get professional-looking results with minimal effort. This convenient kit saves you time and money by providing everything you need in one package. No more trips to the hardware store for individual items. What we like. You get 2 packs of compound, along with a sanding block and a putty knife set, everything you need for a professional finish. If you're tackling a larger repair job or prefer having all the tools included, this is the best option. What people say. It goes on pink and dries white, so it is easy to tell when it is ready to be sanded smooth. This product is easy to use and works great. I had some nail holes and slightly bigger holes that were filled no problem. My walls are textured, which I hate, so where the fix is and sanding it is smooth. It does not match the rest of the wall since it faded over the years. Sands off really easy and dries into white color. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.